Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing extremely fine. My name is Prince and you are watching the TechStream. In this video, I am going to show you the new method to install the latest Android 13 nameless AOSP ROM on the Oneplus 8 series and Oneplus 9 series devices. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So Nameless AOSP has released Android 13 version of their ROM and I have already made a review video about it. And since then people have been asking me to make an installation video about the same. So here it is. I will be installing the Nameless AOSP latest build on the Oneplus 8T and you can follow the same procedure for the 8 series and 9 series devices. And before starting out the procedure, a quick disclaimer: please take a complete backup of all your data as this is going to wipe everything on your device. Now to install this version of Nameless AOSP, you need to be on latest version of OxygenOS 12.1 on both these slots. For Oxygen 8, 8 Pro and 8T, you need to be on C.33 or C.35, and for OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro, you need to be on C.62 or C.63. Now you need to have this on both the slots. To install the OxygenOS 12.1 on both slots, you need to flash the full zip using the local upgrade method. Also, all the files for each of the device have been linked in the description below. So download the full zip for your device, then place it in the internal storage of your device. Now tap the build number 7 times and now click on OxygenOS icon and tap the 3 dots and select local upgrade. This will start installing OxygenOS 12.1 on your device. Once this is done, you need to do the same procedure again to be sure that OxygenOS 12.1 is installed on both these slots. Now please do not skip this step as it is very important, and if you didn't install this properly on both slots, your device is probably going to be bricked in the coming steps. Now that you are on OxygenOS 12.1 on both slots, the next step is to unlock the bootloader on your device. To unlock the bootloader, first you need to install these ADB drivers, OnePlus drivers and USB drivers one by one. Links to all the files in the description below. Install all these drivers and now go to developer options on your device and turn on OEM unlock. Now restart your device in the fastboot mode. For that, press and hold the volume up, volume down and power button simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds. You will see fastboot mode written on your device. Now connect your device to the PC and now you need to open CMD on your PC. Type fastboot devices and your device should show up here. If your device doesn't show up here, that means your drivers have not been installed properly. You can either try reinstalling the drivers again or you can join my Telegram group linked in the description. Next, type fastboot OEM unlock, which will pop up a prompt on your device. Now use the volume key on your device and select OK, and it is going to reset your device and reboot it. And congrats, you have successfully unlocked the bootloader of your device. Now that we have unlocked the bootloader of your device, you need to move these files inside the platform tools folder. There are 4 files for OnePlus 8 series and 3 files for OnePlus 9 series. The files for OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro will be different, so all the files are linked in the description below. Now power off your device in fastboot mode. For that, press and hold the volume up, down and power buttons for 10 to 15 seconds. Once in fastboot mode, type CMD in platform tools and type fastboot devices. Your device should show up here. Now we are going to flash the 4 files that we copied. Type fastboot flash boot and drag and drop the boot.img file. Next, fastboot flash disable verity, disable verification, VB meta and drag and drop the VB meta file. Similarly, we are going to do for VB meta system and recovery also. For recovery, the command will be fastboot flash recovery, recovery.img. Now the commands will be different for OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro and they have been pasted in the description below. Once done, the next step is to reboot in the recovery menu. So press the volume up on your device until you see recovery and then press the power button to boot into recovery. Now your device will boot into recovery and we are going to install the ROM. Now in recovery, click on apply the update and select apply using ADB. In CMD, type ADB sideload and drag and drop the ROM file. It might ask you for signature verification. Just tap yes in the recovery if it asks. Now the ROM is flashing on your device and this is going to take around 4 to 5 minutes and this will give you an error around 47%. So once this is done, click the back arrow and reboot to system. Your phone will boot into recovery again and will ask you to format the device. Click on factory reset and at last you need to reboot your device. If everything is done correctly, you will have Nameless AOSP ROM installed on your phone. If you are facing any issues, you can join my Telegram group linked in the description below. There are a lot of skillful people there and they'll help you to install the ROM. So that is all you need to do to install any OxygenOS 12 based ROM on your device. If you want to see the complete review of this ROM, please check the video in the I button and I'll be testing out more custom ROMs for OnePlus 8T and OnePlus 9 Pro. So press the subscribe button not to miss those videos. That's all for this video. Hopefully you liked the video. Smash the like button if you did. Subscribe to the channel for more tech videos. Thank you for watching.